Welcome, in front of me is the SONY Xperia 1, and today I will show you how to format the SD card. So to get started, let's open up our settings, and from here scroll to storage, which is right over here. Tap on your SD card, then on the three dots go to storage settings, where you will have the option to format. Tap on that, format SD card. Now before you actually tap on this, keep in mind that performing this will remove all the data from the SD card. So if there's anything that you would like to keep, you might want to back it up before, otherwise you will lose it permanently. So that being said, tap on format SD card, let the process begin. It's a fairly quick one, and once it's finished you can use the card immediately afterwards. So there we go, let's tap on done and you're finished. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.